Hello, I'm Jamie Lee Salgatar, and welcome to This Week in MedIT, your source for medical technology news, brought to you by C&G Technologies. Today we are here at the Health IT Innovation Summit in Orange County, California at the Nixon Presidential Library. In the dynamic and ever-changing healthcare environment, health IT innovation is one of the key driving forces for reducing costs and improving the quality of care. Healthcare and technology industries embrace the arrival of mobile health and face the challenges of integration, connectivity, and a new paradigm of patient interaction.
This is a great opportunity to get in front of a large group of health IT executives here in the Pacific Southwest and talk about some of the innovations around mobile health and the kind of environment that's going to be necessary in our industry to create solutions that are impactful and actually drive some real benefit to consumers and providers of healthcare. So we have some experts who are going to be addressing both from the legal, regulatory, compliance, and business model type of discussion. What are some of the ways we can innovate in mobile health, and how do we sort out things that are merely cool from things that are truly impactful and improve the quality and efficiency of care, do something to control the costs of our healthcare system, and in other words, be truly impactful on our health system.
Ingram and HIMSS are working together to really address some of the things going on in the market, especially in healthcare. When you look at it, innovation in healthcare, and you look at the impact today with mobility and what it can do for the physicians within that market, CIOs and access to data, it's a tremendous opportunity to help drive change in the market. The event is absolutely maxed out. It's over 300 people, physicians, CIOs, CMOs. We've got great speakers from across the country coming in and talking about how do you change healthcare and how do you use innovation to do that. It's a great partnership between HIMSS and Ingram, and we're excited to be here. There's so many challenges in healthcare. It's cost, it's control, it's access to data, it's interoperability. We need to do more of these. We need to educate the audience. We need to show people that innovation is the way out of where we need to go. Innovation is going to help support. It's going to help support that physician sitting in Waterloo, Iowa, that doesn't have the resources, that needs to collaborate, and he needs to get the data, and wants to carry information in his pocket. He wants to collaborate physician to physician, physician to hospital, physician to nurse. That's the value of what these events drives. That's the value of HIMSS, and that's what Ingram's is so engaged with HIMSS and our partner community to really help support this market. It's a tremendous opportunity for us.
The Healthcare IT Innovation Summit brought together healthcare stakeholders for insightful discussions on the challenges, opportunities, and trends in mobile health and its far-reaching impact and transformation of the healthcare ecosystem.
Well, I certainly hope that through media coverage that some people will have access to all of the stuff that's being talked about here today. But I think also attendees here especially have a chance to network and meet with people who perhaps they don't normally cross paths with. And I think the best meetings are where you get that cross-pollination and innovators meeting other innovators and coming up with brand new to the world ideas and what we would consider disruptive business models, simply because you get to get that cross-disciplinary type of activity.
I think these events are important from a networking standpoint. No one individual or company has all the answers to what's going on in healthcare, so I think these types of events brings a lot of ideas, a lot of collaboration, and that's what's going to be needed to change our healthcare systems.
The networking is always great. Some of the people, especially associated with the Southern California HIMSS chapter, are some of the power players in healthcare IT in the U.S., and we're fortunate enough to know many of them and to interact with many of them. We have many clients down here.
That's it for this edition of This Week in MedIT. And don't forget, if you want to be featured on This Week in MedIT, email us at news@thisweekinmedit.tv. I am Jamie Lee Salgatar. Have a great week.